DP Bhaiya, I've listened. ChatGPT only took 5 days time to reach first billion users faster than any social media platform. Even Instagram took 1 month. हमको तो सब्सक्राइबर्स और व्यूज नहीं आते यार, और ये ChatGPT कैसे कर लिया? और ये ChatGPT क्या है and how can I use it to improve my life?
Shall I will tell you. OpenAI, a company known for DALL-E, a text-to-image generator, created a new software, a chatting bot called ChatGPT. A ChatGPT क्या है? A ChatGPT एक chatting bot है, but very interactive because it uses artificial intelligence. And if you don't know what is artificial intelligence, we made a video on it, so you can go and check it out. The link is given in the description. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel till now, please subscribe to our channel. So coming back to our topic, ChatGPT. ChatGPT एक chatting bot है. It has lots of data and information in it, and it somehow makes some patterns and gives most accurate answers. First of all, GPT means Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is a machine learning model. Don't overthink. Just think like it is your intelligent friend which has lots and lots of knowledge on everything. So you can ask any questions and it will give answers to it. So how can you get started into ChatGPT? Step 1. Go to Google, type OpenAI and sign up there. Now you can start chatting with ChatGPT. Now you can use ChatGPT for writing mails, making resumes, creating essays, use for solving mathematical problems, and even you can ask for ChatGPT for party planning list.
But programmers use कैसे करते हैं? Suppose you are getting error in your code and you don't know what is that error. You can directly copy paste your code into ChatGPT and ChatGPT will correct your error. Not only correcting, but it will explain you each and every line of your code so that you will understand where is your flaw. So this makes development easy and हमारा frustration वाला दूर. Not only programming, but if you want to read any book and you don't have enough time, you can directly ask ChatGPT about the important lines and summary of the book and you can get enough knowledge. And another important thing about ChatGPT is every time you try to chat with ChatGPT, it remembers the previous chat and tries to improve and set according to your mindset. Is it amazing?
But there is another side of coin. By the way, 90 to 99% of the answers may be right when it comes to ChatGPT, but we should make a note that it is a chatting bot that gives you answers based on data. So if data is biased, answers are also biased. So there are chances of wrong answers.
So there are some flaws of ChatGPT, even though it is latest and best technology of artificial intelligence. If you watched video till now, please consider subscribing our channel. We are putting a lot of effort, so please show your appreciation by just liking and subscribing to our channel. And by the way, I want to tell you one thing, that we have asked ChatGPT what to keep the title of this video, and the reply given by ChatGPT is used as title to this video. That is amazing.